How to activate and use free trial on your TradingView. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just follow and watch this video till the end. Open your TradingView first, and when it will open directly here on your watch list. If you have already an account, come here to the menu. We want now to allow and use the free trial for 30 days. As you see, it's upgrade now. What I have to do, we click on the menu, it will show in me this list. I will click here free trial and it will take me to this page. So I will click here skip and purchase now. It will take me to another page where I have right now to add my credit and debit card. For me, I don't want. You have just to do these steps, then you will have this free trial for 13 days. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next video.